What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this daily update on Luna Classic. What we'll do is we'll do a full technical overview of Luna Classic. We'll talk about some of the fundamentals we need to talk about as well, but not too much. There's not too many fundamentals around Luna Classic specifically right now. So it's not really needed to talk about that. We'll also check if there are some good buy areas or something that we can locate or not. So let's get right into it. Luna Classic specifically has been relatively flat. I mean, obviously Friday we had a big fundamental move throughout the entire crypto market. Luna Classic fell pretty hard, but it was not an unexpected move. Ahead of that, and ever since, I mean, it was weekend. Volume of Luna Classic has since yesterday actually still dropped down. So with the volume dropping and with it being weekend, kind of going hand in hand, obviously, the volatility also became practically zero. We've been around this 14,000 level, which is, you know, technically between the resistance level of 14,750 and 15,000 and 13,000. And today is a Monday. Usually what happens Monday is that you get big institutional moves, all right? So we haven't had those yet. And I am still expecting that for Luna Classic. However, we can still say some things about it, which will regardless be true, I think. At least that's what's my analysis. So if you take a look at the burn tax, I wonder if that's still relatively high. No, it's dropping again. It was for like a week. It was pretty high. I mean, we were burning like almost 100 million, but more like 70 million on average per day, which is, you know, pretty high. Definitely if you compare it with the weeks before that. But it's still, I mean, I say this every day. It's nice that we have that burn tax, but we're almost burning through nothing in terms of the total supply. And a lot of that burn tax is also getting back to the community pool, so that's still being minted as well. So it's I mean, I've said it yesterday as well. It wasn't for no reason that the thumbnail of my video on Luna Classic yesterday was "Is Luna Classic dead?" Because honestly, I do think that it is dying. Almost nothing is being burnt anymore. There are no great proposals. Binance is probably going to stop their burning if they continue proposing things to take things away from the burning pool and give it to the community. Or not give it to the community, give it more to the developers, right? To the ecosystem. What they're trying to do right now is to really fuel that ecosystem with burnt Luna Classic, while the only thing that was keeping the ecosystem alive was the Luna Classic burns. I think so. It's yeah, I think it's a final attempt at staying alive, but I don't think there's a lot of future for Luna Classic. I mean, it could still go up. There definitely is still a way up. But the only way in which we could do that is to get a great proposal with some smart burn rates, right? I mean, you need some sort of a burn mechanism in Luna Classic. Otherwise, you're not going to go up. It's not going to happen. That's my opinion, of course, but it's not based on nothing. The only way and the only times Luna Classic was bullish, so right here, was because of the burn tax. And then when we were bullish right here, it was because of the Binance burns. So yeah, and then every time when Binance burns, we were bullish. So it's and even as recently as the beginning of December. So it's not based on nothing. We have to do that. Otherwise, what's going to happen over the long term is we're just going to fall down to like 11,000. And that's also what I expect for now. I mean, even if the markets open bullish today in the US, we might get up to 14,750 and 15,000. Actually, what I expect. But I don't think we'll get above that. I think we'll find resistance somewhere there between 15,500 and 15,000, and start dropping back down to 13,500, down to 13,000, and then you know, consolidating on top of that until we get another bearish breakout and drop down to 11,500, which is in my eyes also coming. At some point in the near future. If we take a look at then good entry points, I mean, what you could say is that 618 is still a good entry point around 15,000. I'm debating taking a short position like that, but if I would definitely show it in my Discord, so make sure to join that as well through the link down in the description if you want to. But this looks pretty solid. I mean, you can get some decent risk reward on this. But as I said, I still need to do some risk management and see if I actually have some liquidity and capital available for it. and still if I really want to do that, depending also on the market opening move we get today. But that's my take on Luna Classic for today. If you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.